Hello friends, here it is an activity sheet of the lesson 1.5, His First Flight. Here are the questions that are given as per the board question paper. I will read one by one. You have to look into the book, you have to look into the paper, and afterwards write all these questions and answers in your notebook. Activity sheet A1, simple factual questions. It is asked for 2 marks. Question 1, state whether the following statements are true or false. A, the young seagull was not confident about the ability of his wings. It is true. B, the young seagull parents guided his siblings in the art of flying. It is true. C, flying across the young seagull, the mother dropped a piece of fish into his beak. It is false. D, the seagull's parents took immediate notice of him. It is false. Number 2, complete the verb naming the family members of the seagull. This type of verbs can be asked in question paper. Family members of the seagull. Answer 1, mother. 2, father. 3, 2 brothers. 4, sister. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. He saw dash green sea beneath him. He saw a vast green sea beneath him. 3, his feet dashed into the green sea. His feet sank into the green sea. 5th, she was standing on a little dash hump. Answer, she was standing on a little high hump. Question number 4, match the following. Column A and column B is given here. In column A, there are the family members of young seagull, and in column B, what are they doing is given. Answer, the little seagull brink of the ledge, his brothers and sisters lying on the plateau, his mother little high hump on the plateau, his father preening the feathers. A2, complex factual questions. It is also asked for 2 marks. Generally, verb questions are there. The first question, what were the family members of the seagull doing? Complete the given verb. You can see the verb here. Activities of the young seagull's family members. Answer 1, mother was tearing a piece of fish. 2, father was preening his feathers. 3, brothers and sisters were dozing on the plateau. 4, young seagull was trying to attract the attention of others. Question number 2, why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Answer, the young seagull was afraid to fly because sometimes this type of questions are given, because he was not sure whether his wings would be able to support him. Question number 3, complete the verb. You can see here another verb. Actions of the seagull to attract the attention of others. Answer A, pretended to be sleeping. B, stood on one leg. C, closed one eye, then the other. D, stepped slowly to the brink of the ledge. Question number 4, why did the young seagull feel hot? The young seagull felt hot because it had not eaten anything since the previous nightfall. The sun was also ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge. Next question, why was the young seagull maddened? The young seagull was feeling hungry and weak. He saw his mother tearing a piece of fish and scraping the beak now and then. The sight of the food and the way his mother was eating it, just as he loved to do, maddened the young seagull. A3 vocabulary based questions. These questions are also asked for 2 marks. Question 1. Read the following words carefully and make meaningful sentences by using them. Beckon. The teacher beckoned the students by indicating with the finger. Beckon means khunavne. Monstrous. Monstrous means bhayankar. We saw many monstrous dinosaurs in the movie The Jurassic Park. Curveting. Curveting means अचानक भक्षावर झेप घेणे. The eagle suddenly curveted on its prey. Soar. Soar means आकाशात झेप घेणे. The birds soared up in the sky at the dawn. Number 2. Find words from the passage which mean the following. A. The edge of the steep place means brink. In a loud, harsh voice means shrilly. C. Move lightly just above a surface means skim or skimming. D. Making an effort to clean feathers with the beak, that is preening. E. A chain of hills, that is ridge. F. Leaping like a horse, that is curveting. In this way, the sentences would be given and you have to write the answers in one word. Next question is match the adjectives with nouns. In column A, adjectives are given and in column B, nouns are given. The answers are high hump, previous nightfall, little ridges, proud cackle. A4, it is grammar. It is also asked for 2 marks. Question 1. Identify the tense in the following sentences. A. He had taken a little run forward to the brink. Had taken, past perfect tense. B. The sun was now ascending the sky. Was ascending, that is past continuous tense. Question number 2. He made his first flight. Change into present continuous tense. Answer. He is making his first flight. Is making is used here. B. His mother was looking at him. Change into present perfect tense. His mother has looked at him. Has looked is in present perfect tense. 3. Give the past tense forms of flow, flown, teach, taught, step, stepped, land, landed. 4. He was tired and weak with hunger. Use not only but also. Answer. He was not only tired but also weak with hunger. Question 2. He screamed with fright. Add a question tag. Answer. He screamed with fright, didn't he? Question 3. He had made his first flight. Change the voice. Sometimes this question can be asked as begin the sentence with his first flight. Answer. His first flight had been made by him. A5. Personal response question. These questions can be also asked for 2 marks. Question 1. How would you react if you have to travel alone? Everyone's answers may be different. Here is my answer. If I have to travel alone, I will try to remain calm. I will ask people what I want. I will ask the routes and roads to the local people. I will read the directions on boards. I will inquire at the bus stands for more information. Question 2. How would you react if you had to stay alone at home? Answer. If I had to stay alone at home, I will close all the doors and windows as I am very cowardice. I will keep the TV on and watch the movie. If my parents are not returning early, I will call my friend to my home. Question number 3. What will you do if you were lost in a new city? Answer. If I lost in a new city, first I will remain calm and ask any local citizen the address of the police station. I will tell my problem and request them to help me. I will request for mobile phone and call to my parents. These 3 questions are just specimen. Another type of questions, personal responses, can be asked. Next one is language study. Question 1. Give the homophones of the following. Blue, blue. Beer, beer. Homophone means the words have different spellings but they pronounce the same. Here blue and blue, they have same pronunciation but different meanings and different spellings. Here are some examples: blue, beer, beat, to, sun. Question number 2. Pick the homophones from the text. From the text, I have picked some homophones, that is see, would, there, seen, one, I, peace, through, hence, not. Question number 3. Complete the words by using correct letters. You can easily solve this question because only one letter you have to add there. The first word is flight, F-L-I-G-H-T. I is placed in between F-L and G-H-T. Forward, F-O-R-W-A-R-D. A is placed between F-O-R-W and R-D. Then next question. Write related words as shown in the web. The one word is given bird and you have to write the adjectives for the bird. The answer is beautiful bird, white bird, nice bird, small bird. Beautiful, white, nice and small, these are adjectives. In second question, playing. Playing is a verb and you have to add adverbs for playing. Happily playing, merrily playing, steadily playing, lovingly playing. Happily, merrily, steadily and lovingly are adverbs. Question number 5. Complete the following word chain of nouns or verbs and adjectives. The words are given. Ridge, R-I-D-G-E. You have to write the noun that starts with the last letter of the given word ridge. The last letter is E. The noun starts from E is egg, then goat, tiger, rose. In this way, you have to write verbs and adjectives. Verbs of right and adjectives of happy. Question number 6. Add prefix or suffix to make new words. The word given side, the prefix added is in, inside. Able, unable. Day, midday. Fortunate, unfortunate. Suffix monster, monstrous. OUS is suffix. Coward, cowardice. ICE is suffix. Side, sideways. Ways is a suffix. Question number 7. Make 4 words, minimum 3 letters each, using the letters in the word. The words are given. Beckoning. You have to make 4 words, but every word must have 3 letters, minimum 3 letters. From beckoning, king, bone, 9, neck, these types of words we can make from beckoning. Here are 2 examples of cowardice and courage. Writing skills. In writing skills, these questions can be asked for 4 marks. You have to read the given question carefully and answer it. Here is one specimen. Read about the space mission of Sunita Williams. Imagine you are going to interview her. Frame 10 to 12 interview relevant questions regarding her early life, training, her education, her actual flight into space, her future plans, and her message to viewers. Here is the answer. Hello, madam. Congratulations on your great achievement in the space mission. May I ask you few questions about your career? Can you tell me your birthplace? Where were you born? Where did you spend your early life? Please tell me something about your education. Where did you get your early training as an astronaut? When did you take your first flight in the space? When were you selected by NASA for astronaut program? What is your experience at NASA? How do you feel when you were selected for NASA's Expedition 14? How many days did you stay in the space during the Expedition 14? What are your future plans and what is your message to the young Indians and students? In this way, we can ask her questions. Friends, this is the English workshop of his first flight. And here I have read all the activities. You have to write all these activities in your notebooks. Thank you.